Hello, the student of class 7. Today we will read the subject English from the book of First Images, lesson number 7, Just Me. Just Me is a poem and also it has a sing-song quality. Now, open your book and let's read the poem. From the time I was little, I knew I was great, cause the people would tell me, you will make it just wait. In the first extract, the poet describes about his childhood days when he begins to sing. The people will say, you will make it just wait, but they never did tell me how great I would be if I ever played someone who was greater than me. But the poet replies that how the people do not say about how I am great. When I am in backyard, I am king with the ball. To swish all those baskets is no sweet at all. Here the poet describes about when his performance is not good, then he says, I am the king of this party, of that party, where is no any kinds of sweet, the full of basket. But all of a sudden, there's a man in my face who doesn't seem to realize that I am king of the place. But as soon the poet realized that there is a person who thinks that you are not great and you are not the king of that ball or parties. So the pressure gets to me. I rush with the ball. My passes to remains would go through the wall. My now see the next step. So the pressure gets to me. I rush with the ball. No passage to primates could go through the wall. Through the wall. My jumpers not falling. My dribbles not sure. But when someone person comments, I knitted a piece of loose clothing wearing to their at that moment when I begin to sing, but I moved from there so hurriedly. My hand is not steady. My eye is not pure. The fault is my teammates. They don't understand. In this state, the poet describes, this is not my fault, but the fault of my teammates. The fault is my coaches. What is terrible plan? The fault is the call by the blind referee, but the fault is not mine. I am the greatest. You see, here he describes it is not his fault, but all the faults is his coaches and referee and the other persons. Then finally it hit me when I started to see that the face in mirror looked exactly like me when when he stands in front of the mirror and looks that and recalls it is not the poet's fault and it wasn't my coach shooting bricks at the wall. The face is the mirror that was always so great. The poet describes this is not my fault because the coaches has not properly teach me, had some room for improvement instead of just hate. There is no any way to improve, but only way to hate the coach and the referee. So I stopped blaming others and I started to grow. My play got much better and it started to show. But at last he realizes that it is not good thing to blame others. So it is needs to improve ourselves. And all of my teammates didn't seem quite so bad. I learned to depend on the good friends I had. Now I like myself better since I started to see that I was lousy, terrible. Lousy being great, I am much better being me. At last, the poet describes that I will be best person in this way when I realize my fault. Now, your poem has completed. Look at the consolidate questions. Now, question number A, three parts. Think and answer. Question number 1. Why does the poet have such a good opinion himself initially? Answer. The poet has such a good opinion himself initially because some people say you will make it just bad. Question number 2. Why does he blame others when his performance is not good? Answer. He blames others when his performance is not good because this is the terrible plan and the fault is his teammates. They do not understand. Now, question number A1 and A2. Fill in the blanks. Question number A1 and A2 ka 1, 2, 3 MCQs you have to do your as homework. Now your lesson is completed. Thank you.